Good morning. Welcome to the KSC Newscast. Today is Monday, March 13, 2023. Please stand and join me in a pledge of allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with me for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's breakfast is, well, it's a surprise, milk and juice. Today's lunch is mozzarella sticks, baked potato, soup, broccoli, milk, and juice. Today's birthdays, Jaden Boone, Slack, Michael O'Kane, and Summer. Important dates, March 7th through 14th, ACAP alternate, March 9th, PST, March 16th, tutoring ends, March 17th, Kona Ice Day. Third quarter ends March 21st. Teacher Workday March 22nd. ACAP Summer begins. Send us your questions. If you do have any questions, please send it to the library. We would like to try to answer it. And yeah, that's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday.